Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I've got a little unboxing for you. It is of the Level 2 Beauty Loop box for July. So let's get into it. So this quarter, they have updated the packaging a little bit. It's a bit, you know, sort of like fluorescent lighting on the packaging. I am a level 2. But yeah, level 2 is kind of like the middle because you've got the members who don't get anything. Then you've got level 1 who get a decent gift. Level 2 is supposed to be slightly better. Then level 3 is supposed to be the best ones. But I feel like they're all pretty even. Like I know in the last box, I'll link the unboxing of that video down below. But I feel like the level 2 box was way better than the level 3 or the level 1. And I was like so grateful to be level 2. I was like, thank God I got the best box. The month before that, I didn't really notice any, like, you know, everyone seemed to be pretty even. But yeah, I've heard that the level 1 this quarter is probably better. I don't know, I'm not level 1, I don't know what's in the box. If you are a level 1 or a level 3, please let me know what you got down below. And if you are a level 2, let me know if you got anything different to what I did. I know there were a few variations for each box. But yeah, I'm excited to dive into the box. My mum picked it up for me from Mecca because I'm trying to save money and not buy things. But yeah, that's not working out for me. So let's get into it. We got the card on the top. I'm not going to open it and not spoil the surprise. Ooh! So based on what I've seen online, I basically got 2 out of the 3 things that I wanted. But yeah, I'm still very happy with what I did get. The first thing I got was this NuFace Prep and Glow double-sided cloth. So it's basically a face wipe. I'm interested to try it. However, I would never buy a face wipe from Mecca. Like, face wipes need to be $2 or less. You know what I mean? For a pack of 25. I don't know how much this costs. It doesn't even say in the card. It just says you can find it at Mecca. But it has a smooth side that removes makeup and then a textured side that gently exfoliates. Perfect for a deep clean when you're on the go. So maybe I will have to save this for traveling or something. Unless you would like to see, you know, a reaction video, let me know. But yeah, I'm interested. I'm glad I got the Cleanse, Exfoliate and Hydrate one because I would not know what to do with one that's like oil removing. But yeah, interested to try this. Next was something that I did not really want to try. I definitely will and I'm excited to try it, but they had the option for the Smashbox Primerizer, which I do own the full size, but to have had a mini for traveling would have been amazing. But instead I got not even the good full, like the bigger Origins face cream. I got the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. I'm very excited to try it. I've heard nothing but amazing things about the Origins eye cream and I've always wanted to try it and I'm glad I have. I would just love to have had that primer sample. But anyway, yeah, I'm very excited to try this nonetheless. But it says, like a double espresso for your eyes, this fast absorbing cream depuffs, reduces the appearance of dark circles, gently dab around the eye area when required. So I'm definitely going to pop this in my bathroom and use it as my eye cream. But yeah, I would have loved that primer sample, but I'm still very happy to have this. Do not worry, I will definitely be using every single drop of this. Now the next 2 things I already own, like that Smashbox primer I did not get. So I guess it's kind of okay that I didn't get 2 primers in one, but I got the the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. I do have, not the full size, but I have the travel size. So I'm going to assume that this one is, because it's even smaller, is like a deluxe size, deluxe sample size. But yeah, I already have this primer. I love this primer. I will definitely accept another one. Yeah, so even smaller than the one that I have, which is not even full size, it is travel size. So definitely this is deluxe sample. But yeah, I'm very happy to have this. I will take it traveling with me. I love this primer anyway, so I know I'm going to like it and I know I'm going to use it. So, which is a shame I'm not really getting a lot of new products to try, but at the same time, I know I'm going to use all these products and I know I'm going to like them. So that's also kind of reassuring. And last but not certainly least, I have a sample of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have samples of it, like the samples. I don't have a full size of this product, but my samples are still bigger than this one. So I've definitely got the travel size and this is a deluxe sample. Still happy to have it. We'll definitely use it. We'll take it traveling. Love this mascara. It's not going to go to waste. I feel like these samples and travel sizes last the same amount of time as like a full size. That's why I don't buy the full size in high-end mascaras if I have the choice of a travel size. It's gonna last the exact same amount of time. It will dry out on me straight away. Like every single mascara just dries out straight away. I don't know why. But yeah, really happy to add this one to my travel makeup backups collection, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's everything I got in the box this quarter. Very happy with those. Hopefully I can stay a level 2 for the next quarter. However, I do doubt that. I do need to keep spending in order to maintain my level 2 status, which I haven't been spending a lot of on high end. Plus Sephora has been releasing some good things lately instead of Mecca. But yeah, hopefully I do stay a level 2 and do not drop from my status. It still takes $400 more to spend by the end of the year. Hopefully I could do that. Don't think I will manage it. I am building a house, so that is taking away the majority of my funds, especially since I'm not earning as much as I used to these days. So yeah, hopefully I do stay at level 2. I am enjoying these boxes immensely. I don't think I'd ever reach level 3. I just don't have the money for that. But yeah, let me know what you got in yours and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.